faintest smell, the slightest sound, the briefest glimpse could give warning of an attack. The cheetah must detect their enemy before it takes them by surprise. And they have allies. Langur monkeys. Keen eyesight and a perch high in the trees means they can scan the forest. The jungle is full of distraction. Senses are strained, trying to detect approaching danger. Yet the cheetahs still need to feed. And the hunter must get within striking distance. There's a hint of danger carried on the wind. The herd shares a nervousness. You should never run from what you can't see. You might just run straight into danger. The tiger is nearly close enough to launch her attack. She must wait. The cheetah will need to come just a little closer. If she moves now, the langurs will see her.